Hi everyone, today I will be showing you how to deposit money to my PayPal account. You need to log in into your PayPal account. In your profile, you can see the word send. All you have to do is to click the send button. Once you click this one, you will have the options on how to send your money. It could be through email address or it could be through bank account. Let's just say I want to send money to my other PayPal account. So all I have to do is to type my email address and then enter the amount. Now here you have the option to type something here or you could just skip to that. And then once you're sure with the amount and everything, all you have to do is to click continue. Now, let's just say you wanted to send money via invoice. So all you have to do is to click this one, send invoice, and then all you have to do is to fill in the information here, your email address, the amount, and you can just click send. Now, there are other ways on how to deposit money to your PayPal. You can do it via bank account or you can also send it through e-wallet. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in our next video tutorials.